Hi guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to link your Google Tag Manager to your Selar Store. So basically, what makes this so important is that Google Tag Manager is widely used across multiple advertising platforms. Another interesting thing about Google Tag Manager is that there's also a HTML, a custom HTML feature where you could paste the pixel code or the web tracking code of any advertising platform on Google Tag Manager, and it could work seamlessly. All right, so Google Tag Manager is very important. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you could link your Google Tag Manager account to your Selar Store. Don't forget to visit the description section to access more exclusive resources to help you succeed in business and in advertising. And don't forget, subscribe, because we're actually going to be sharing a lot of valuable tips to help you succeed online. So let's jump right straight into this video. So you visit tagmanager.google.com. So you could also create a new one here if you want, but this is your container ID. So this is the code you copy and paste on your Selar Store. So you could also find this code here. Once you open up, you could also find it here. So once you get that code, you log into your Selar Store. Okay, so if you notice, I'm already logged in. So, okay, let me just log out so that you're going to see. So, say selar.com, click on login, then you input your username or email address and your password, then you click on login. Next, you click on the menu button at the top right corner. Then you scroll down until you find integration. Then you select Google Tag Manager. Then this is where you're going to paste your GT ID. So you're going to paste the ID you copied here. Okay. So once you're done, you click on Update GMTM. All right. So now after you're done installing it, now if you want to test if the Google Tag Manager you installed on Selar is working fine, you simply come here, see Install Instruction. Then you input your website here. Then you click on Test. So you can see, so it means that the Google Tag Manager on the Selar Store was properly installed. So same thing for those of you who are watching this video, the website. Once the Google Tag Manager is properly installed and you test, you input your website URL, you're going to see a good tick. Okay, there'll be a good tick. So that's it. All right, guys, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive contents like this.